So your attorney tells you, hey, look, we got to file a lawsuit on your case. Usually it's because the insurance company is being unreasonable or there's a dispute as to who's at fault, but either way, the best way to get your case moving forward is to file a lawsuit. So the question then becomes, you, the injured person who wants to bring a lawsuit, what can you expect? So first, you actually have to file the lawsuit with the court system. Then once you get the lawsuit back from the court, you gotta then serve it on the defendant. So you actually have to give the lawsuit to the defendant, the person you're suing, so they know that they're being sued and they know that they need to respond. Once they respond to your lawsuit, there's going to be the discovery phase. So discovery is a formal period in the case where both sides obtain information from one another. And the way they can do this is numerous, but primarily you engage in written discovery, meaning the injured party sends written questions to the defense and the defense sends written questions over to the plaintiff side as well. Also, both sides will ask each other to produce certain documents. After the written discovery phase takes place, usually the next phase of the case will be depositions. Depositions are question and answer sessions under oath in front of a court reporter who takes down everything that's being said. Usually the injured party will be deposed. The defense wants to ask you questions about your medical care, how the accident happened, how you're doing now, what activities you can no longer do as a result of your injuries. And then after that, usually the defense will have you examined by a doctor. Under California law, the defense is entitled to engage in what we call a defense medical exam. They get to hire a doctor, you're required to go to that doctor's office and get examined by them so that they can see what your current condition is, and then that doctor can give a report. Usually that doctor is going to come and try to say that you weren't injured or you're really not that bad, but either way, California law requires that you attend that doctor's appointment and we're required to comply with the law. After the defense medical exam, now that written discovery has taken place, depositions have taken place, and the defense medical exam has occurred, probably a good time to start trying to resolve the case. At this point, the defense has all the information they would likely need, you probably have all the information you would likely need, and maybe a mediation would be helpful. If you go to mediation, that means a neutral party, a mediator is going to be working between the two parties to try to get a resolution to the case. If mediation doesn't work, the next step is jury trial, which we'll cover in another video. If you have any questions about the litigation process or what it may be like to file a lawsuit and go through the whole litigation process, give us a call anytime.
If you have any questions or would like additional information, please visit us at gcelaw.com or call us at 818-591-8058. That's 818-591-8058.
We're lawyers in the courtroom, not on billboards.